Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this scrapbook paper from Temu and this snow globe shape I got from Dollar Tree. I paint the top part of the snow globe with plaster colored chalk paint by Waverly. I do the front, back, and sides, giving that full coverage. Once that is dry, I tape off the stand to the snow globe on both sides and paint that with black chalk paint, also by Waverly. I just give that one coat because I will be covering it with a golden leaf rub-in buff. So I paint that, dry it completely, and then cover that with this golden leaf color, just using my finger to apply it. I will be making this double-sided, so this side I'm taking this piece of scrapbook paper and just folding it where I need to cut it. It won't cover all the way across, but I'll be filling that in so you won't see that. I take Mod Podge and apply it to the plaster color, and then a little bit on the bottom of the scrapbook paper just so I make sure that's fully attached. Place it down, smooth it out with my hands, and then use my heat tool to dry it. I then sand off the excess with my micro sander and add a layer of Mod Podge to the top of that. I then do the same process on the other side with the other piece of scrapbook paper. Next, I'm using Snow Tex. I got that from Amazon, and I'm just using a small paintbrush and grabbing a little bit of it at a time and applying it all the way around the snow globe. Just kind of smoothing it out, flattening it down a little bit, and forming it into the shape I want. After I have that applied, I do use my heat tool to dry that. I then am using this gold trim and hot gluing it to where the snow globe and the base meet all the way around. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.